Go to www.kingspanconnect.com. Enter the login and password. You can also choose your language version. Sign into your account. You need an RFID reader to add an RFID card or keychain. Plug the RFID reader into the USB port in the computer. From the main menu, go to Registers, and then RFID Cards tab. Click on the Renew Card button to add the new card. Bring the RFID card or RFID keychain to the reader. The automatic number is read. The next number is printed on the card or keychain. Enter it in the card number field. Assign the card to the group. The card group is the terminal number. Assign the card type. Assign the user to the RFID card. Click on the Save button. Please remember that added card cannot be added once again.